and you're seeing this on I Am Winston Gel 832 on the YouTube platform, and my vegetable, my steamed vegetable of carrots, bell peppers, and potatoes. Yes, and chayote. Yes, chayote. I emphasize chayote. All right. So there they are. That's what's coming on the next premiere on the I Am Winston Gel Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Here, the finishing touches. Here, this is, yes, that's my special curry chicken. And here is my special vegetable. Yes, chayote and potatoes and carrots with bell peppers and scallion and onions, and that's all seasoned down with some vegetable rice. Yes, so this is the next upcoming video.